Hey everyone, welcome to the first episode of my Python AI plus IoT journey. Now, this isn't just another coding vlog, but this is more of my personal experiment to see how far we can take the combination of AI, Python, and IoT and combine those three technologies to achieve what we never thought was possible. Now, think of it as how do we get machines to sense and think about their surroundings and using that information to make real-world decisions, all powered by Python. Now, why does this journey matter? So I've always been fascinated about how AI can think and how IoT can act. Now, when you combine and fuse these two together, you get to real-world machines that can think and make real-time decisions based on information. Think of it as devices or machines that can adjust your room temperature before you get too cold or before you get too hot. Now, I am not starting this because I already know everything or I am some kind of master in IoT, but I'm actually starting this because I'm not. It's all about exploring, experimenting, building in public, possibly succeeding, but probably failing, because that is how innovation happens. So join me along in this journey and see just how far we can take. Now, before I start writing code onto real hardware, real devices, I am going to start with a simulated environment. Now, you may ask, why a simulated environment? Well, it's because in a simulated environment, you can fail safely. So you can test AI models, you can play around with code without frying your hard-earned hardware. Because just imagine buying a hardware for crazy amount of money and then you just fry it on the first try of writing code onto it. So we're going to start with simulation, and there we can test as many things as we want to test without fear of getting anything too damaged or probably causing an explosion. Over the next few episodes, I'm going to be taking you through mini IoT projects like simulating a temperature sensor, and we'll be seeing how do we combine IoT with AI, all powered by Python, to achieve amazing results. Over the time, we'll get a chance to be looking at real-world sensors like smart lighting, smart fridges, and we check how are these things being powered, what is the technology behind them, what is the logic, and then we're going to have fun looking through all these things and analyzing it step by step. Now, if you are someone who is very interested in Internet of Things, IoT, AI, Python, and how these things can combine together to form one big thing, hit that subscribe button. Let's grow together and let's see how far we can take things from simulation to reality. This is day one. Journey begins now.